Good afternoon. For dinner tonight, I've decided I wanted some potato salad. And I'm going to make some I've never made before like this. We're just going to use regular potatoes. I'm going to have 2 eggs, boiled eggs, some pickle, a little bit of onion. And instead of mayonnaise today, I'm going to use roasted red peppers hummus. And so we shall see how this will turn out. I have heard it was good, so we shall see. First I'm going to cut up my potatoes, get them in the pot, and get them done, and then we'll mix everything together. So just give me a few minutes. Okay, I've now got my potatoes peeled, and I'm going to dice them up and put them in a pot and let them cook. Okay, I now have my potatoes done. I'm going to drain them. Half a cup of onions cut up. I have a half a cup of pickle. Now I use my own sweet pickle, but you can use any kind of pickle that you like, but I do use my own sweet pickle. And I've got 2 boiled eggs chopped up. So we're going to mix all of this together. And we're going to use hummus instead of mayonnaise. Let my potatoes drain. Half a cup of onions. Half a cup of pickle. And 2 boiled eggs. And just a little salt and pepper, not much. I try not to use salt. But that pepper I'll put sometimes a little bit too much, but and we'll just stir this up right quick. And we're going to use roasted red pepper hummus. I have been told that hummus could replace mayonnaise in any dish. So we're getting ready to find out. So we're just going to take 2 tablespoonfuls of hummus. We're just going to stir it up. Well, I see that we're definitely going to have to use a little bit more. It's got a good smell to it. I think it needs a little bit more black pepper on mine. Let's just see. Well, let's give it a taste. The red peppers, the roasted red peppers, gives it a different flavor. It's actually good. And this is just regular potatoes. Just regular potatoes. Half a cup of onion. Half a cup of pickle. And 2 boiled eggs. Well, there's nothing in there. And 2 boiled eggs. And it's hummus potato salad. And this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you enjoyed this little video. It's a different one. And I hope you give it a try and see how you like it. And give me your comments back. Join my channel. And come back to see me again. Thank you for watching. Roasted red pepper hummus potato salad. Very good.